Okay, hey, just a quick tutorial, not a tutorial, but a flight in the snow in the Pacific Northwest. Started snowing this morning and it's been snowing off and on. Not a lot of snow. I mean, we don't get a lot of snow anyhow, but there's kind of a look of my roof and how much snow is on there. This is about 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, and went around and flew just a small circle. And here you go. Check it out.
Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Who would have thought this game, this flame would still be burning? Who would have guessed that all these blenders would still be churning? Not even we on our bended knees could have ever blessed it. Not even I with my head in the sky would have ever guessed it. But here we are for a family reunion costume barbecue. All the black sheep family outcast and a freak or two. No, the hat tricks and the gold bricks still don't have us down. Still a party for the hardy when we come to town. You're still grinning and we're still winning, nothing left to save. Death defined as I go flying down this endless wave. And here we are.